Hi friends, welcome to Edupedia World. This is Varun Ganga. Friends, in our last session we have learned some examples regarding how to find the cube of a given number by using Yavadunam Sutra. And friends, now in this session we are going to have a look at one more example regarding the same concept, that is finding the cube of a given number by using Yavadunam Sutra. So why to wait? Let us see what that example is. The example that I am going to take in this session is find the cube of 132. So friends, in order to find the cube of 132, that is, by using Yavadunam Sutra, we have some parts of process that we have to do. So now let us see what is the first part of process that we have to do. So the first part, what we have to do is here, the process of left part. So here in the left part, the first step that we should do is, we have to find the nearest base of the given number. So here the given number is 132 and the nearest base for the number 132 is 100. After finding the base, now the second step what we should do is, we have to find the excess of the given number with the number base. So here the base is 100 and the given number is 132, and when you compare these two numbers, the number 132 is having 32 excess with the base. So therefore the excess what we are going to get here is 32. And after getting the excess, now moving to step number 3, now we have to multiply the excess, that is 32, with the number 3. So therefore 32 into 3 is equals to 96. And after getting the product 96, now again what we have to do is, we have to add this product to the base what we have got. So therefore we can say that 100 plus 96 is equals to 196. And finally this 196 is regarded as the required left part. Now after completing the process of left part, moving to the process of middle part, the first step what we have to do here is, by taking the left part answer what we have got, we have to find the nearest base. So here the nearest base of the number 196 is 100 and the excess of the number 196 with the base 100 is 96. After getting these two things, now what we have to do is, we have to multiply the excess of new sum with the actual excess what we have got. So here the new excess is 96 and the actual excess is 32. So by multiplying this 96 and 32 we get 3072, and therefore the product 3072 is regarded as the required middle part. Now after completing the process of middle part and moving to the process of right part, the process what we should do here is, we have to find the cube of actual excess. But the excess is a 2-digit number. To find its cube it becomes a bit difficult for us. So to get rid of this difficulty, I am going to use Anurupya Sutra. So friends, I hope you remember using Anurupya Sutra in finding the cube of a 2-digit number, and of course we have seen many examples of how to use this sutra. But now here I am using this sutra very short at my best. At first I am writing here the vertical and horizontal bars. After that I am going to write here 3 cube, 2 into 3 square, 2 square into 3 and 2 cube. And below it I am going to write these answers. So 2 cube you will get 8 and 2 square into 3, that is 4 into 3 you will get 12, and 2 into 3 square, that is 2 into 9 you will get 18, and 3 cube you get 27. And I think you remember that now we have to double these two things. So if you double these two things we get 24 and 18 you get 36. After that we have to add all these two things and these two things. So here 8 we don't have any digit to add, so I am writing 8 as it is. And here 12 plus 24 we get 36, and here 18 plus 36 we get 54, and 27 we don't have anything to add, so therefore I am writing 27 as it is. So after this, now by using some special rules of additions and carry-ons, we have to write only one digit in each of these parts. So here if you observe the last part, here we are having only one digit, so there is no problem with it. And if you come to this part, here we are having two digits, and we have to take only one digit according to our rules. So therefore I am taking this 3 and I am taking as carry-on to the next part, and I am adding this 3 to 54, that is 54 plus 3, again I will get 57, but 57 it is a 2-digit number. Again we have to take the excess digit, that is 5, as carry on to the next part. So now by taking this 5 as carry on to the next part, that is 27 plus 5 we get 32, but here in the left part we can have as many digits as we want. After completing the process of special rules of additions and carry-ons, I'm going to have one more horizontal bar like this, and I'm going to write the digits over there. So 8, here I have to write 6, and whereas here I have to write 7, and here I should write 32. And therefore finally we can say that 32 cube is equals to 32,768. So friends, by using Yavadunam Sutra, now I have found the cube of 32, and I have got the answer as 32,768, and this is regarded as the required right part. After completing the processes, now we have got the right part, the middle part, and the left part. Now we have to write all these three parts in an order like this, and then we have to place some horizontal bars and vertical bars like this. So friends, I hope that you know we are finding the cube of a 3-digit number, and the base is 100, so therefore we have to keep only 2 digits in right part as well as in middle part. So friends, if we observe the right part here, the answer what we have got is 32,768. It is a 5-digit number. So therefore we have to take the lastmost digits, that is 68, in the answer, and we have to send the excess digits, that is 327, to the middle part as carry on. And now by sending this 327 to the middle part and by adding to the middle part, that is 3072 plus 327, we get the sum 3399. Again, this sum, it is a 4-digit number, but according to our rules we should have only 2 digits. Therefore I am taking here 99 in my answer, and I am sending 33 as carry on to the next part, that is to the left part. And by adding this excess to the left part, that is 196, I get the sum 229. But here in the left part we can have as many digits as we want. And now by placing one more horizontal bar, I am going to write the answer digits. So therefore here in the right part I have got 68, and here in the middle part I have got 99, and finally in the left part I have got 229. Now by combining all these things, that is 229, 99 and 68, I get the final answer. And therefore we can say that 132 cube is equals to 2,299,968. So friends, this is the way how we can use Yavadunam Sutra in finding the cube of a given 3-digit number. And of course here I have used Yavadunam Sutra because the excess digit is a 2-digit number. So friends, I have already told you that this Yavadunam Sutra is very helpful in finding the cube of any digit number if the given number is very near to the bases like 10, 100, 1000, etc. So friends, I hope that you have understood pretty well how to use this Yavadunam Sutra as well as Yavadunam Sutra, and in the next session we will be having some more examples regarding the same sutra. For watching this video, thank you, have a nice day.